Hi, this is Jennifer, and today we are doing a very special edition of normally we do our Vegas Confidential every Thursday. Well, this one's a little bit different because already Richmond American has proven that their Aspire collection, which is three single story floor plans, truly are the one of the best sellers in the valley. So today we are out at the Rocco floor plan, which again is part of their Aspire collection. I am out in the Northwest today, and one of the reasons I'm out here is really to get a jump on the pre-sales for Cactus Bloom in Summerlin that is happening in La Madre Peaks. And believe it or not, they are already going to pre-sale. I have a client that's getting a call today. So pretty exciting because realistically, if you go out and see the signage out there, it says it's not opening until later this year. But again, if you're in early, here's a great opportunity to get in on this amazing Aspire collection. I'm going to be breaking down all the details for you in this special edition of my Vegas Confidential video. So let's get into it right now. The Aspire collection is, again, three single-story floor plans. Today, we're going to be touring the Rocco, which is 3,470 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, 3-car garage, and again, it is a single story. The Rowan is the larger one. I have actually not been in the Rowan yet because this is a newer floor plan that they've added to the collection, and that's 3,710 square feet. And then one of the most popular collections in the valley is the Robert, and I've sold a few of these, and I'll get into a little bit more information about that. And the Robert starts at 4,010 square feet, an absolutely incredible floor plan, highly rated on what would be my Vegas Confidential rating. And again, today we're going to be touring this particular model, and I'm going to give you all the details on the upcoming Cactus Bloom in La Madre Peaks. So welcome to your Las Vegas Confidential. A little bit of backstory just so you have an understanding of how popular this Aspire collection is. In the past, they have built these very popular floor plans in Summerlin, but it's been a minute. So the last time that they built this particular set of floor plans in Summerlin was back kind of like during the COVID years. They had one community in the Stonebridge area, which was called Scott's Pine. That sold like hotcakes. And then they also had one in the south part of Summerlin near Regency, so out towards the very end of Summerlin towards the south. And I think that was called Onyx Point. And again, those same floor plans, they both sold incredibly well, just kind of depending on which side of Summerlin you wanted to be in. So now fast forward almost 5 years later, they are finally introducing these floor plans back into the Summerlin neighborhood. So it is really big news. I wanted you guys to get a jump on it. So today we're going to be touring the Rocco floor plan, and we are out here right now. And I've seen this floor plan throughout our valley over, well, the last several years. And sometimes some of the builders, when they really have a floor plan that works really well for really whatever stage of life you're at, then again, they do tend to build it all over town, and it does really well. Pulte would be a great example, and I'll probably be touring the Park Lane for you at Pulte Brantley, because again, same thing. When they hit it out of the ballpark, they do build it all over town. So come on in. Peter is our camera guy today. What I love about this floor plan is it, is very open. What I love about these floor plans is not only is it very spacious, it's a single story, but what I love is you really have that wow factor. And so we are in the kitchen. This is a very big refrigerator. We just got something to drink out of the refrigerator, but you can see, I mean, holy cow, this is ginormous. Let me see the other side. Okay, what do we got over here? Anything good? Wow, that is a really oversized refrigerator and freezer. I just got entertained by this. So just to give you an idea. So again, we are in the Rocco floor plan. And here in the Northwest, I am all the way up at like tropical. This house, if you were to purchase it here, the base price would be just under $990,000. Obviously, you'd still have your lot premium and all of your upgrades. We just got the pricing today for Cactus Bloom, again, in very coveted location of La Madre Peaks. Those prices are actually going to be, this same floor plan up there is going to be 1.724 as your base price, so over $700,000 more, plus your lot premiums, which could range anywhere from maybe 50,000 upwards of 200,000, plus all of your upgrades. So over in Summerlin, for these homes, you are going to be realistically in the mid 2 million range. So just something to keep in mind. If you are price sensitive, which obviously, understandably, that could be the case, then coming up here, obviously to the northwest, could be a great option for you because it would almost really be like half the price. So with that said, I want to show you quickly this floor plan. And then I have a special treat for you because the Robert is one of their most popular floor plans. It is just over 4,000 square feet. They do have one here as a quick move-in. So we're going to show you that one as well. Obviously, it's not going to be the model, but I think it's a great way to see what these homes look like in production. Okay, so when I mentioned those lot premiums up in Summerlin, as you know, I've done videos before about the price of land in Summerlin and how it's about dollars an acre up there. So obviously the land is expensive. So when you are purchasing up there, you are going to be paying quite a bit more for larger home sites in Summerlin. As you know as well, large home sites in Summerlin are becoming, well, kind of rare. Obviously, even if you're buying a bigger home, sometimes those lots are not going to be that big. But out here at Cactus Bloom, you will get a pretty large lot. And then what I really love is just to show Peter, just show them like this. Essentially, this goes the length of the house as far as really the whole porch area is really nice. And it's really off of the entire house, really. So here we are in the great room and then off the kitchen space as well. I mean, really great for entertaining here as opposed, say, to something like Esplanade, right? Esplanade is going to have some of those larger homes. They are going to have the estates, maybe a little bit bigger lot, but those homes really from Taylor Morrison are really more about the amenities available. This is a very much a different purchase. Let's go take a look at the primary bedroom. What I love is there's a really nice separation between the primary and the secondary bedrooms on the other side. Keep in mind, like I said, this house is little over 3,400 square feet. So really like nice sized primary bedroom, but not terrible, not like huge. I hate when they're huge because then I feel like it loses some intimacy. I do love this bathroom. I love separate sinks. I love when you have a little bit of a vanity over here, which is great. And then the shower does not disappoint. Wow. Peter, I'm gonna make Peter go in there. Take a look at that tile. Isn't that beautiful? That is really pretty. I don't know what this is, but it's really neat. So beautiful in here, obviously. And normally, like I said, I do my Vegas confidential ratings. These floor plans, part of the Aspire collection, because they build them all over town. I mean, they really do hit it all out of the ballpark. If you are in the market for a larger single story, you have opportunity if you wanted to keep the price maybe at about 1.5 million up here in the Northwest or even in the Southwest. If you're looking for a prime location in Summerlin, well, it's just going to be more expensive. Okay, so there's actually 2 closets. Obviously, this is custom. I'm not sure what this is supposed to be. We'll ignore that. But then as we come in here, I think this is so smart when they do this. Coming out of your primary bedroom, coming out of the closet, washer and dryer right here. Super, super smart. And I see that quite a bit now with new construction. I think it's a great idea. And then come this way. And then you are really now at the other wing of the house with a bedroom over here. This bedroom is en suite. I love the high ceilings. You have some nice storage over here. And then these 2 bedrooms are going to share the bathroom right over here. So very well thought out. Again, you have one en suite. The other 2 bedrooms share. I like how it's a nice little private wing of the house. And then, of course, off the front of the house, you do have a study. These floor plans, again, work really well for all different people, really, whatever stage of life you're in. If you're having guests, if you have children at home, or maybe even an older parent or something like that, really having the space for them, I think it works out really nicely. And then, of course, you have just the incredible wow factor of really the entire home. So these are going to be at Cactus Bloom in La Madre Peaks coming soon. And again, I have a client right on the list right now. He's going to be getting a call today to really get in very early. That's what I like to do for my clients, and that is what I would love to be doing for you as well. Now, let's go take a look at the Robert. Okay, so now we are at the Robert floor plan. I wanted to pick your head in here. People just absolutely fall in love with this floor plan, and there's a couple different options. This one is done with a bedroom instead of a game room. This is, again, just over 4,000 square feet. And I had clients that bought over in Scotts Pine, gosh, like 6 years ago now. I can't believe it. And just we went and looked at so many models that day. And then when we walked in here at the model out in Scotts Pine, just absolutely sold. And I think one of the wow factors for this particular home is just how beautiful this kitchen and great room are. This one, just to give you an idea, is completely done, of course, on this lot. And it's priced, I believe, I think it's 1,260,000. Compare that, of course, to Cactus Bloom. And at Cactus Bloom, this particular floor plan will be at 1.954 base price. So that would be without your lot premium and, of course, all of the beautiful upgrades. Now, one of the things I think are a real selling point for this home, obviously, just the huge wow factor of the great room and just the way this kitchen lays out. And that would be the primary. So let's come on over here. Excuse me, there's some alarms going off. Okay, so primary bedroom. We've got a little wet bar here, kind of nice. We've got a closet over here. And then very similarly to the one we were just in, also, beautiful shower. This one actually has the tub in your shower. People like that. It's sort of like a little wet area. I'll demonstrate this time. I really love the finishes in here too. I love the brass fixtures. And again, it's just the whole shower enclosure is done in brass. I think it's really, really pretty. I like how that's all coming back. But wait, there's more. Let's go this way. And here we have another closet. Nice size closets, that's important to me. And very, very similarly, this leads out back into the laundry room and then back into the rest of the house. So these floor plans, speaking to my Vegas confidential rating, which I didn't really go through for this particular video, because these are just such popular floor plans, really for any stage of life. I've had empty nesters purchase them. I've had clients with children purchase them. I think it really works really for whatever stage of life you're in if you're looking for a larger single-story home. Okay, so what I love too is there's a lot of storage. You have storage over here. I mean, it's a really nice kitchen. And then, as I said earlier, but wait, there's more. You have a really good sized pantry here. I mean, if you like to cook, which I don't, but if I did like to cook, this would be really cool. And then you have essentially your butler's pantry here with refrigeration and another sink over here. And then this leads into the dining room. So depending, of course, how you wanted to use this, I really like this light fixture, by the way. But if you'd like to use it as a dining room, obviously it works really well that way. Over here on the other side is done as your study. And then this is their space that really can change it up. So this one they did as really kind of like a casita slash suite. I do like that it's still attached to the house though, as opposed to like a separate casita. This can, ooh, that's where that buzzing's coming from. Or this could be a game room, but depending on how you want to use it, I mean, this is a great space. So you have your own bathroom in here, you have your own closet. Peter, this would be great for you, right? You're just like, thumbs up. I particularly wasn't sure if I want to leave all the way out here. This is Teton Falls, but I'm telling you, Cactus Bloom would be pretty nice. So this video is really all about getting you in and have the scoop on everything that's happening in Summerlin. Things are moving so quickly. As I said a few weeks ago, I was at the VIP events for Esplanade, really before they ever opened to the public. There was an interest list of people that got in early. Same thing here with Cactus Bloom by Richmond American. I've been talking about this with one of my clients literally for the last year, knowing that this was going to be a very popular product in Summerlin, especially in La Madre Peaks. So, if you'd like more information on any of the homes that we toured here today, whether it be in Summerlin or you'd want to consider it in other parts of our valley that honestly would be a little bit less expensive, of course, that's always an option as well. Please go ahead and book a call with me below at jennifergraffrealtor.com. So I hope you enjoyed our very special episode of Vegas Confidential today. Really, again, I love rating homes all over our valley. I hope you enjoy doing it with me. But again, this is the Aspire collection, a top rated collection that has proven itself over and over throughout our valley. And what I wanted to convey to you, if you're interested in Cactus Bloom, well, the sooner the better, because I have a feeling even in a slower market, honestly, I think they're going to sell quickly. So thank you again so much for watching our video today. Please make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And of course, we'll see you next time.